Hello, good afternoon. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Terminal 1. Hinihintay po namin si Ken Managan at si Wade Martin. Dito po kami sa airport na Terminal 1. Maraming tao. Ano po ang aming hinihintay? Ang aming special na tao sa buhay namin. Si Ken Managan at si Wade Martin. Halika. Hey. Hello, my love.
Hello. Oh, you look hot.
Ito na po, special na tao sa buhay ko. I'm the one.
You sure?
Sure. Many people here in the airport. We are waiting now at the van. Yeah.
Waiting for the beer.
And the beer. But the problem is I didn't bring the beer because they don't have container.
Oh, I thought about that. We don't really want to do that.
He said to me, if you want mama, we put on the plastic. Ah? I said no. Oh. You want to pass by? Hoy, napasok na po ang kanilang luggage sa loob ng van. Papunta na po kami late, mamaya-maya lang ng Barreto. Ha? Hindi ko alam. Mamaya. Mamaya. Where do you want to sit, my love? In the front?
Oh, I don't care.
Kahit saan daw.
I don't care. Wherever. It's on the side, and
Dito na lang kami sa gilid ba? Yung paa niya para may diretso niya dito siya sa gilid. Sila na lang sa harapan ba? Hindi, ituhod niya baka lang madiretso. Dito na lang. We're going to eat here in Jollibee. Si Jollibee, oh. We're going to eat here. Good evening po. Good evening. Okay, we're going to order food here. Many people here. Many people here. We pay here. We pay here and claim over there. You know. How is it? This is my Coke. Before it's full, now it's half. Chocolate.
did we get that one?
Yes, madam. What's that?
One, two, three.
1, 2, 3 only.
Two drinks.
2 drinks. 2 drinks. Huh? Ice cream only. Ice cream. This one.
Cookie foil, yeah. White mocha. Yeah.
What's that?
Probably had 4 chicken nuggets.
Yeah, I thought I had chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Spaghetti. Anyway.
Hey, this one, oh.
Anything anyway.
This is the nugget.
Oh, that's the nugget.
Good, the nugget.
No, thanks.
No, the nugget. We're going home now. Thank you. Thank you for the food.
Thank you.
Use our van, car.
Hindi ka natin. Hindi po na tayo.
Okay. Saan ba? Okay.
Oo.
We going to toilet, Malak.
Oh, right.
We going to toilet.
Put that away then. Go.
Meron po kami room dyan.
Okay, ano po?
Bayad, room o 2. Bayad na yun 2 weeks ago.
Only the red. Yeah.
Thank you, kuya.
Thank you, my friend. See you during the
Okay.
week.
Okay, kuya. We are here now in Treasure Island.
You right? You fixed up?
Oh, yeah, I already fix him up.
Under there.
So, Kenneth Munaghan.
Anong
Pwede, room number 2 ba?
room to?
Room number 2.
Ah, okay.
The same young lady here.
Yeah, same young lady.
She's still here, I'm still here.
Contact number na lang po.
Number ko na lang. 0947 7618 640.
646. Kasi na lang po. Room 2.
Room 2. Dito.
Apo.
Thank you. We're going now to the room 2. This is our luggage. Later we drink beer, right? Our suitcase. We just arrived here. No? This is our room.
You sure you didn't get it?
No one. Thank you, kuya. We're having breakfast now here. Free breakfast in Treasure Island.
For your coffee.
Oh,
Coffee, my love.
Cappuccino.
Oh, we only have brewed coffee and instant coffee, sir.
Oh, okay. No, whichever one.
Brewed coffee
Yeah, it'll do. We'll
with
copy.
marshmallow sugar.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sa akin pareho sa kanya. Same. Like sila.
Thank you. And
Thank
service water.
Yeah, yes.
Room 2.
Room 2. Happy breakfast here today. We're having a breakfast now, free breakfast here in Treasure Island. This is our free breakfast. Sana. And our room is over there. Room number 2 over there. Nice view here. Oh. Tapos swimming pool. Okay, let's breakfast here.